Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. J the Explorer. Today we are going to explore a small town called Rajapur located on Mumbai-Goa National Highway number 66. It's a very beautiful town situated in Konkan area of Maharashtra. Rajapur is a Taluka place and Ratnagiri is the district. So Rajapur has a lot of interesting things to offer. So in this video, let's check it out, this beautiful town called Rajapur. And if you like this video, do click on the like button, share as much as you can, and if you haven't subscribed our channel till date, then subscribe it. This Ganga water temple premises is currently in a ruined state but still maintaining its sanctity. So this place can be definitely visited at least once. Rajapur has one of the interesting thing to offer, and that is hot water spring. So the locals do visit over here for the morning bathing and they do get refreshed through this hot water spring. This place has a proper division of male and female section. So need not worry while taking a bath over here, and definitely recommended by Mr. J to have a bath over here. So now what you are seeing over here is a top view of a wadi. Wadi is actually a sector in a town, and this is a very beautiful vernacular architectural houses surrounded by a good amount of vegetation all over, and that is the biodiversity which Konkan area offers.